In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you the 3 building blocks of building a profitable business. My name is Peter Chabris with Lockbox, where we provide realtors lessons in leads, listings, and leverage. And today we're going to talk about profitability, specifically the 3 big levers of profitability. Let's get started. The first one for us as real estate agents is top line revenue. In our industry, we call this gross commission income, or GCI. All other things held equal, if you sell more houses and you earn more gross commission income and everything else stays the same, your business will be more profitable. So let's not overlook the fact that, if you sell more, you should in fact make more money and make your business more profitable. Make more profit. To make it more profitable, we got to look at the next 2 levers, the next 2 building blocks. The first one is called cost of sale. This is frequently misunderstood. Cost of sale is any expenses that you incur when a sale happens. So an example would be if you're doing a sale, you received a referral from another real estate agent and you transacted and you paid out a 25% referral fee to that other agent, that's a cost of sale. You only incur that expense when you make the sale, when you close. Another cost of sale we oftentimes forget about in our business is our brokerage compensation. What are we paying our brokerage on a per transaction basis? That's a really important factor in how large of a cost of sale you're experiencing in your real estate business. So first opportunity, sell more houses. Second one is make sure you have an efficient cost of sale that is reflective of the value that you're getting for what you pay for that cost of sale. And then the third one is your operating expenses. These are sometimes referred as fixed expenses. These are expenses that you pay whether or not you sell a house. Basic ones would be things like your cell phone bill, your car payment if that's something that you take as a cost to your business. Perhaps you have an assistant or a part-time assistant. That would be something that would be an operating expense. So the more income you make, the best value that you get from your cost of sale and how well you can control your total fixed expenses or operating expenses will ultimately determine your net income or the profit of your company. Profitability is just your net income divided by your total gross commission income. So profit is another word for net income. Your profitability is your net income as a percentage of total gross or top line gross commission income comes into your business. So those are your 3 levers. Sell more houses, make sure you have as efficient as possible a cost of sale for your business model, and 3, manage fixed expenses because they can sneak up on you. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you in another week. Thanks, guys.